Today we're looking at how to use the Facebook ads library to identify Facebook ads that are actually working. That's right, identify ads that are actually producing real results. Because whether you know it or not, you absolutely have the ability to spy on your competitors' Facebook ads this very second, so you can take some inspiration from those ads and apply them in your market as well. There's a right way and a wrong way of doing it, so of course today you're gonna learn the right way. Hey, it's Jaime. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. All right, so let's get right to it. Let's start spying on some competition. The first place you're gonna go is to facebook.com/ads/library. So again, it's facebook.com/ads/library, and you're going to be met with this ad library right here. So the ad library provides advertising transparency by offering a comprehensive searchable collection of all ads currently running from across Facebook apps and services, including Instagram. So this is very valuable for many different ways. You have the ability of doing some reconnaissance on your competition, but check out one important word that you cannot overlook. It has it right here, the offering comprehensive searchable for all ads currently running from across Facebook apps. So this means that the ads that are actually presently being run. And I'll show you how to actually identify the ones that are winners and the ones that are losers. So you're going to want to take the banner and run with the ads that you see that are being successful, and then also maybe not focus on the ones that aren't going to be that effective. So there are some key things that you can look at with the ads library so you can take an appropriate guess and an appropriate analysis of the ad that you're looking at. So let's go to the housing category. And the beauty of this library is that it becomes more and more transparent as Facebook gets into more and more trouble with their advertising. So this ads library looks completely different and drastically different from a year ago and 2 years ago. This has been around for quite a while now, but it was pretty guarded in the information that you receive, but now it's becoming more and more transparent as you see. So the appropriate place to start with the housing and seeing how your competition is operating is identifying your competition. So you know the top agents in your market, and you have a good sense if they're running ads or not, because chances are you've been targeted by them. But regardless, if you know that they are running ads or not running ads, you certainly want to look up their business page. So you have, let's just say, the top team, the top brokerage, the top agents in your market. You can research them and see what ads they have presently going. So for our analysis today, I'm actually just going to type in real estate agent. So let's just see what it comes across when I type in real estate agent so we can go through some examples. So let's see, real estate agent. Let's go with a more targeted solution. So let's go with Keller Williams. And then we're going to have some options here. Keller Williams. All right, so this Russell Underwood, let's see if he's running any ads. And boom, here we are. So we see the ads that Russell is running. So he has about 8 ads running, which is good. So let's look at some key indicators right here. We see that he launched his ads July 24th. This one he launched July 22nd, July 20th. And then we have, what do we have here? 22nd, 24th, 22nd. And then we have 22nd. So we see that a lot of his, oh, here we go. So we have a February 6th. The important part that we just went through was that are active. So remember what it said at the ads library, that are currently running. So we have a good sense of if this ad is still being run, that chances are that this particular ad is successful. So we want to take these winners. So Heath home buyers, can you believe some of the homes are underpriced? Sick of looking for homes that don't match your needs? Just for you, we're putting together a list of all the best homes in Heath. Click learn more to get access to your free custom list, but don't wait, these homes are going fast. Click learn more. So what you can do is you get to see the ad details. So you see everything else, the different versions. So you see all of the ad copies, well, all of the split images. So this isn't going to necessarily give you the best images, but it will give you the ad copy that you're using. Now it's important if you see that there are some key elements here that are standing out to you, then you for sure want to investigate further and actually apply them in your ad copy. So I see that the emojis are being used beautifully. I see that there's a highlight of free. I see that there's actually an offer being made. So there's a lot of great elements with this this ad campaign. I actually wouldn't use this exactly, but you see, I like it. I like this one a lot more. It stands out a lot more. So you see all the different ad copies and the variations. Hey, one quick second. I'll let you get right back to the video. I just wanted to ask for one small favor. Would you mind going down to the bottom of this video and smashing like? That's going to help out this video a ton. It's going to help out the channel a ton. And I would be eternally grateful. Thanks. Take what you want, leave the rest. And certainly don't take what you don't want, because that's not going to make sense. But you also have the ability of checking out down here. So you see the assets from the ad. So this is something, the links are something that were not available to you a year ago. So that's a huge difference. Again, as transparency increases, which means that as Facebook continues to get into trouble, you have access to more information about the winning ads. So you see where they're driving traffic to. You see all of the elements of the ad, so you can deconstruct it. Oops, this was just straight to Facebook. Let's see, where are the other links? There are some other links. We can get to them here in a little bit. So you see all of the different variations that they're using. Let's go back. Let's see, that was just the Facebook, right? I think it goes straight back. Let's go back to some active links. Bum, bum, bum. Let's go to another page. Let's check this out one more time. So let's go, who do we want? Century 21. Let's see if we have a real estate agent. Are we running ads? All right, so Ken is running some ads. So you see the ads that they're running. Let's go to ad details. And you see that the link, this is where they're sending them to. All right, so you see kind of like an instant market report or something like that. So you can go back. And you see that this one was started very recently, so we're in September. So these ads, I wouldn't put too much credence in because they're relatively new. So the oldest ad is September 4th, which is about 10 days away. So I wouldn't necessarily get too many ideas from this particular campaign because it's not proven yet. It hasn't run months and months and months like the other realtor that we saw. So we see here where they're driving traffic to. So we have their privacy policy. And then we have, it looks to be like a list right here. So straight into the IDX, which that's one of the links. And then over here, they're driving them straight to their property. So unless they have an opt-in form, if I click on here, I wouldn't necessarily call these ads all that great. So let me just click on one real quick. See, so they're driving traffic straight into the links where they're not asking for the contact information. So I wouldn't necessarily call this a great ad as well. Not judging this this realtor in any way. I just would find a better way of optimizing. But anyway, you want to go to facebook.com/ads/library and go to the housing tab and start looking at your competition. Start looking at some other larger real estate agent pages all across the country, so you start getting an idea of the successful ads. So remember, the longer that the ads have been running, the more likely that they are actually successful, because who's going to continue paying an ad or running money to an ad that doesn't work? So go and do your homework. Take the elements that you want. I don't suggest that you straight up copy. That's not the point of it. You're trying to get inspired. You're trying to get ideas. You're trying to see what's working out in your market. And if you can use somebody else's success or somebody else's money based off of what you're seeing right there and what's successful, why not apply those same principles into your ads? Well, now you know how to effectively use the Facebook ad library, you might be interested in learning how to actually launch successful ads. So I'll leave a video right here that's going to help you do that. Also, if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And of course, make it your best day yet.